Welcome to the overview of NotePager Pro's security system. In this tutorial, we'll be going over how to access and configure the security system to restrict access to certain things in the interface. To access the security system, go to the Tools, Settings, Passwords section. NotePager Pro has 3 tiers of access that can be configured with 3 different passwords. As noted here, if the user password is set, it will be required to run NotePager Pro. If the superuser password is set, it will be required to access the carrier, recipient, and group's maintenance screens. This password also has user rights. If the admin password is set, it will be required to access the program's setup screens. This password also has the superuser and user rights. If a user password is specified, but the superuser and admin passwords are left blank, NotePager Pro will prompt for credentials to open the program, but will not prompt for credentials to access any of the configuration menus and options. If a superuser password is specified, but the user and admin passwords are left blank, the program will not prompt for credentials when opened, and will not prompt for credentials when accessing the display and configuration options, but will prompt for credentials when attempting to access the carrier, recipient, and group options. If an admin password is set, and the user and superuser passwords are left blank, the program will not prompt for credentials when opened, and will not prompt for credentials when accessing carriers, recipients, and groups, but will prompt for credentials when attempting to access the program's setup and display options. You can set one or all of the passwords. However, be certain to remember these passwords. It is entirely possible to lock yourself out of the program or certain functions within it. If that happens, you'll want to contact our tech support department at support@notepage.com or by phone at 781-829-0500, extension 2. This concludes the overview of NotePager Pro's security system. For more information, including an overview of the setup and display options, please visit our website, www.notepage.net.